Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
1,500 euros can be enough in Italy, depending on your lifestyle and location. In smaller cities or rural areas, it's quite manageable for moderate living, covering basic expenses like rent, food, and transportation. However, in major cities like Rome or Milan, the cost of living is higher, and it may require careful budgeting to meet all expenses. To stretch your budget, consider shared accommodations, cooking at home, and using public transportation. Remember, experiencing Italy isn't just about spending. It's about exploring local markets, enjoying free attractions, and immersing in the culture.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.